ibang veggies, greenfield ko. And si Holly, gagawin niya na yung bigay ni Nana sa kanya. Nandiyan na yung chocolate. Si Daddy. So, yeah. Yun lang. Good?
It tastes like...
What?
Here, you want to try?
No, I'm good, thank
It's
you.
really good.
Yeah, thank
Tastes
you.
like a brownie.
Brownie. So, ayan yung aking veggies.
I'm going to say the boys want any.
Alright.
A bit dirty.
Put this in the bin, okay?
Yeah, well, this is the best moment. It feels like I'm in a restaurant.
Ginawan ko sila ng chicken ginger teriyaki.
It's so good.
And meron silang chivachis. Si Jan kasi yan yung kinain niya, tsaka beans. And toast and eggs.
I'm going to try the...
What? There's both?
With the rice.
Ah, sorry. Chicken thigh kasi ito. But yeah, what do you think?
Chicken?
Good?
What chicken is this?
Chicken thigh. Si Kuya na sa friend niya. Where's Kuya? Shack. Dun sa, may shack kasi yung friend niya. Dun sila nagpi-fishing and dun siya matutulog. So, yan na. Yan yung dinner. So, ito pa lang yung dinner namin. Mayroon kami ditong prawns, carbonara, chicken carbonara, more prawns. So, yan yung dinner tonight. Nag-fold ng clothes yung mga bata. And nung isang araw pala, meron ako ditong nabiling parsley. Ayan. And thyme. And sabi ng nabilhan ko, dapat daw ilipat ko siya sa malaking paso. Eh, yung paso ko, malaki talaga siya. Pero ang gusto ko kasi dito lang to sa loob ng kusina. So, ang gagawin ko, kumuha ako dun sa recycle bin namin. Ito. So, butasan ko na lang siya dito sa ibabaw. And, maglalagay ako ng soil. Meron akong soil dun sa labas. And, yeah, ilipat ko ito dito. Kasi, eto, kasya naman. O, diba? Perfect. Ilagay ko to dito. So, butasan ko muna. Tanggalin muna natin to. So, yung vlog natin ay mga glimpse lang ng mga ginagawa namin. Kasi, meron pa akong mga ini-edit, guys, na vlogs. And hindi ako nakakapag-araw-araw na upload kasi lagi kami busy sa activities ng mga bata. I'm just gonna make this bottle like a pot.
Ooh! That's creative.
Creative, so. Butas. Gunting siguro. Ay, hala. Ay, hala.
I was just eating a hot cross bun.
Yeah, si Holly nag-hot cross bun.
I had...
How many you had? 3.
Yeah, 3.
Gunting.
But the dad and Quizak got some. Dad got 1 and Quizak.
So, gunting na lang kasi mas okay siya. Gunting. Sana mag-work na. Tapos, ang gawin ko ay butasan ko dito para may daluyan yung tubig pag tinitiligan ko siya. Wala sila yung parsley. Gusto ko, ay parsley, yung basil. Dati mayroon yan sa Coke. Ngayon wala nang nagtitulo.
Do you still have the lid?
No, I don't need the lid now.
Are you putting your parents in now?
Yes.
Am I there, and then put water there, and the plant's there, and put the lid on there, and then every time you need water, just lift the thing up.
Hmm.
And then it goes water. Yeah. Our plants die. Even the ones that for sure. Mom, this one's dead. Is it?
It's alright. So, ayan. So, butasan ko lang dito. Gamit kong pambutas ay yung sa cake. Pag nagbe-bake. Yung pang-check.
But we need to do surgery on this bottle.
Huh?
We had to do surgery on this bottle.
Surgery.
Yeah.
Gusto ko sana siyang ikandila. Kaso baka
It's gonna melt.
We'll see what we can do. Kasi yung kutsilyo, nakakatag. Ay, okay, wait lang guys. So, hindi siya nag-work. So, kumuha ako dun sa office ni Jan ng pin. Kasi, ayan, tusok-tusok lang. Yun nga lang. Matrabaho.
So the plants can breathe.
Yep.
So they won't die.
So, when we put water, the water will come out here.
Oh,
Wait lang,
it's
focus
like a
tayo.
pot.
Ito yung soil na ilalagay ko. Nagtanim din ako dito before. Hindi talaga sila nag-work. And, ayan, kunin ko yung mga eto, tsaka yan. Eto yung binili namin to ni Jan. Ayan, so, yan natin dito.
I don't like the smell of soil.
Okay, that's
Mom, I
it for
can
now.
hold it. I will.
Okay, come on.
Soil secure.
Alright. So, sabi na, babae, hugasan. Ano muna natin siya ng tubig. Basain. Ay, huwag mainit. Mainit. Hindi pa, ang kalat. Ang kalat mag-gardening. Okay na to. Basa na siya. Sabi ni ate, ipaghihiwa-hiwalay ko daw to.
I've done this before, Mom. You always have to like grab the plant gently.
Yeah, but the girl told me,
Yeah, like that.
break it like this. Because this is supposed to be 4 or 6. Or that's the parsley one.
What's this one? It's probably that one.
Huh?
It's probably
Ang
that
bango
one.
ng thyme.
I don't really want to do it.
It's messy, Baba.
I like getting messy.
Yeah, but I need to be careful because I don't know what I'm doing.
You have to dig up.
Yeah. That's what I'm doing.
Anymore.
So sabi niya, hiwa-hiwalay daw. O, see? Meron na tayong dalawa. That
Then
one
you have to
here.
put the dirt back in.
Mhm.
I know what to do because we do gardening at our school. So we do it on Tuesdays, cooking or gardening.
Cooking or good. They alternate it.
This is a parsley one.
Yeah, I think the parsley.
It looks like there's 6 here. It looks like there's a million. Parsley smells so good.
Yeah, it does.
Can I
Which
take
one
the
though?
parsley and throw it out? This one? Can I take the...
Yeah. Nadahan-dahan ko para hindi sila makalbo kasi naghulbul na sila. So sabi niya, seed niya daw to tinanim. Yung ano niya talaga, yung buto.
It's stuck.
Tapos sinabi niya ako dapat
Do
nasa
you
sun
need
siya
that
lagi.
dirt?
Yes, Baba.
You got them in your beautiful pajamas.
Ano. So, kailangan ko siyang idikit-dikit na lang kasi wala tayong spray. Ay!
Mom!
Ano? Ang dami niya. Siguro yung eto, doon na lang sa doon na lang siya. Kasi, Wala tayong paglalagyan ng parsley. Gusto ko rin kasi yung parsley dito.
I can't get
Katabi.
that one. What about that?
I'll put it outside.
You're saving one each.
Oh, it depends because look at it's already full here.
I think you need another one.
So
But we
this
don't
one,
have-
hala, magpagalitan tayo ni Daddy. Baka mabara yung ano, yung sink.
Mom, I think we should have done this outside.
I know. So meron dalawa, 6 itong parsley to.
I'm gonna try to get it off the green table. So Dad won't notice. We're gonna have to clean this up, Mommy.
I think I'm just gonna put this together. Ayan. Kalat-kalat na namin dito, guys.
We should have done it on the table
know.
there. So all of this will blow away. No, we weren't thinking. We weren't thinking. Yeah, I'm getting a little messy. Oh, Mom, you kept tripping. Guys, if you do this, I think you should do it outside.
Yeah, don't do what I'm doing.
We're making a huge mess. Look at our hands. Well, look at my mom's. They're even dirtier.
Ay, hala. Nasa pots.
Mama. Stop. Mommy, we're gonna have to bring the floor.
I know. Kamilinis lang natin.
Look at the floor, Mama.
I know, I'm just gonna sweep that. Yeah, this is dry.
You have to have it wet. Where's the broomstick? Yeah, we can do that later. After we
Sana
finish.
talaga mag-work tong ginagawa natin.
Goodness.
Sa labas yung iba. Kasi hindi siya kasya.
Oh no, the lid.
Ito, okay. That's
Voila.
Ay, hala, baby.
Oops.
Ayan.
I'll put
Okay,
it.
wait. Dito. Hala, ang messy na ng ating sink.
Look, I love getting messy. Mom,
Give me
I
that.
think this is a bit too.
Yeah, ayan, it's so messy. Nandito pa yung beef natin. Okay, excuse me. I'm just gonna put this here. No, I'm gonna put this back here.
Oh no. And I got it on the plastic of the food.
Ingatan ko lang huwag mahulog yung salt dito sa sink.
We weren't thinking properly.
Okay. So, yan siya. Oh, sana mag-work. Diligan ba to? Diligan natin.
Mommy, there's more dirt.
Sana hindi siya mamatay o na-drown. Ayan yung tubig. Lumalabas naman.
Mommy,
Put it back. Hanggang sa'yo babalat ang tapon da. I'm gonna wash that. No, kailangan natin hugasan yung dahon.
guys, our hands. I'm gonna put that in right.
Okay, hala. Nagiba na. Okay.
What's that thing?
Nilabas ko siya para maarawan. And yung tira, dito ko nilagay. Dito natin siya nilagay sa pasong to. Ayan. Ay, sana talaga mabuhay at lumago sila. So, paarawan muna natin kasi nakalabas ang araw. And naglaba rin pala ako ng mga bed sheets. Nung isang araw yung kila kuya, tsaka kay Zach and Holly. Ngayon yung sa amin. So, ayan. Yung kuko ko. Ayan. Mag-cut nga ako ng nails kasi tingnan nyo na. Hindi na ako nakakapag SNS. Mag-press on ulit kaya ako. So, yan yung ating update sa ating plants. Ang ganda ng sikat ng araw. Oh. Green na green yung grass namin dun. But the rest, nagre-recover. But yun, ang ganda dun. So, yan guys. Transfer it here. Baka mamatay, tanggalin ko na dito. Kasi baka sobrang init naman. Dito. Ay. Magsasampay pala ako. Labada day. Tanggalin ko na yung yan, nakasampay dyan. Ito na sila muna sa lilim. Isampay muna ako. Yan, tapos ako magsampay and nakuha ko na yung bed sheets. Si Jan, busy doon. Nasaan ka na, babe? Ayun siya. Nililinis niya yung sakayan ng kabayo. And yan, mamaya ipasok ko to. Yan, sa kitchen. Eto, ilalagay ko siya dito sa pagola. Hindi dyan. Somewhere. But dyan na muna sila. Eto, nagluluto pala ako dito kanina. Eto yung mushroom na gagawin kong mushroom soup. Na ano ko na siya, na saute ko na siya. And ito yung blade roast. Hihiwain ko to siguro ng maninipis. We'll see kung anong gagawin ko dito. But yan yung dinner nila. So, ito yung pinakita ko sa inyong meat kanina. Frozen pa siya, pero meron akong mga nahiwang sobrang ninipis. May kita nyo, manipis talaga siya. And, ayan, frozen pa. So, ilagay ko muna to sa ziplock and i-freezer ko ulit. Kasi, pwede pa siyang i-freeze kasi frozen pa siya. So, ayan. Tapos, ito yung magiging dinner nila. So, hindi ko pa rin alam kung anong gagawin natin dito. But, yeah. Check ko muna yung mag-aama ko. Ayan si Holly. Almost done, ha? Shiny. Pasok na ako. Tapusin ko yung hinihiwa ko dun. Chinek ko lang sila. Holly, don't! I have my camera! Silly girl. Ito yung late lunch na to, guys. So, meron ako ditong prawns, 2. Yung tira to kagabi. Kasi kagabi chicken carbonara ko na may prawns yung kay Jan. Tapos may 2 eggs. Tapos ito yung chickpeas na ginawa ko nung isang araw. And yung beef pala ito, matigas pa. Pero meron akong nahiwa, paunti-unti. So, dinidefrost natin siya. And habang dinidefrost ko yan, ayan, nagpapakulo na ako ng patatas. Pero kain muna ako. Ito na pala yung beef, niluluto na natin. Stir fry ko lang muna. Then, yung potato nasa air fryer, pinapa-crispy ko lang. Ayan yung puff pastry. So, ito na pala yung beef with white sauce and carrots and broccoli. Ayan. Ibibake ko pa to, hindi pa to tapos. Di ba mayroon tayong patatas na ginawa. Ilalagay ko yun sa ibabaw at saka yung puff pastry. Tatakpan ko siya ng puff pastry. Naglagay din ako yung cheese. Ayan. May cheese din to, yung 3 kinds. Na-transfer ko na yung beef dito sa ating baking dish. And nandito yung ating pina-crispy na patatas. Ito yung pinakulang ko kanina. So, ilalagay ko siya sa top. So, ayan, nalagay ko yung crispy potato sa top. And, nahiwa ko na rin na maliliit na square yung ating puff pastry. So, ilalagay ko to sa ibabaw isa-isa. Diba? Ang busisi ng ating dinner tonight. Ayan, nalagay ko na yung puff pastry. And, na-brush ko na rin siya ng egg wash. Ready to bake. So, luto na siya. Kalalabas lang nito sa oven. And, nagluto rin akong rice kasi si Kuya gusto mag-rice. Ayan. Oops. Ayaw yung pamabuksan. Uy. Ayan yung rice natin. You're welcome. Here's the Kuya. That's yours, Holly.
Grab my spoon.
Yeah.
Thank you.
What's...
Yeah.
Good?
Thank you.
Huh? Nice. Wala sa kanyang rice. Ayaw niyang rice.
Hey, grab a bit small sauce, please.
Cause I think I do want you next